ਮਾਈ ਰੇਡੀਓ 580 AM ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਭਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਹਿਮ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਔਰ ਕੈਰੀਅਰ ਕੰਸਲਟੈਂਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜੌਬ ਲੱਭਣੀ ਹੈ ਅਗਰ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਵਰਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਵਕਤ ਹਰ ਪਾਸੇ ਜੌਬਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੌਬਾਂ ਲੱਭਣ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਜੂਕੇਟ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਦੇਵੇਗੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਰਕਫੋਰਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਲਈ ਯਤਨ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਜੀ BGS ਸੰਸਥਾ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੈਰੀਅਰ ਕੰਸਲਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਹੀਰਾਲ ਉਪਦਿਆਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ let me welcome her. Thank you very much. Welcome to our studio and good morning.
Good morning, namaste, sat sri akal, and Jai Shri Krishna to our listeners. And first of all, thank you so much for inviting me on my Radio 580 and providing this opportunity for our company to provide the information about our services.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you for coming. And can you tell us a little bit about your organization, like BGS, what it is?
So BGS actually is providing employment services in Alberta from 3 decades now.
Okay.
We support people in all phases of their career, starting from youth, adults, or mature workers. Our companies partner with the government of Alberta.
Okay.
So all of our services are at actually no cost to our clients or to our employers. It is very beneficial, and especially of a time when everybody's looking at their bottom line, right?
Yes. It is very important. Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
And as I mentioned, few of our services include Youth Co program.
Okay.
That program is basically for the youth, those who are aged in between 18 to 24. We offer free online career and employment workshops. There are 15 different topics to choose from. It's, for example, including career planning, resume writing, interview preparation, networking, and much more. And it is very easy to register for those workshops.
Okay.
All you have to do is just go on our online on our website.
Yes.
And just register yourself over there. And workshops are online, so you can actually do it from home.
Very good.
Yeah, and our company actually provide workshops for agencies as well.
Okay.
For the agencies, those who have actually specific clients group. So our facilitators can actually arrange and go to the companies and provide those workshops for their clientele.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah, and it's very, very easy again to register for all those workshops. Again, you have to go online and register yourself. But today I'm going to talk about our 2 specific programs, what we run at our site.
Okay.
So first one is, it's a job placement program. So
Okay.
it's a Job Plus and Job Connect.
Okay.
So I am the career consultant who work in those programs.
Okay.
So Job Plus is basically for the people, those who are mature worker and those who have extensive years of work experience and those who are EI eligible.
Yes.
And Job Connect is for anybody who is 18 years or over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very important. So for mature people, if they would like to upgrade or would like to go for retraining, you provide that as consultation as well?
That's right, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So any cost involved with this?
No, all of our services, as I mentioned, these are government-funded program.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it is at no cost. All you have to do is just give us a call at our office and
Okay.
just maybe schedule appointment with
Okay.
one-on-one appointment with career consultant.
Okay.
And we will sit with you and discuss some goals and strengths, and we will provide you some brainstorming strategies.
Very good.
Just to find out some barriers you might have to find a job out there, right?
Who is eligible? What is the criteria for this? So any newcomers or anybody? Who is eligible?
So actually, the mandate of the services are in English language. So if you are somebody who is comfortable communicating in English, or if you are legally entitled to work in Canada,
Yes.
that means you have to be Canadian citizens or permanent residence holder, or if you have a valid work visa or refugee status. There must be in the market to find a full-time job
Okay.
and attend a full-time program on a regular basis in order to see the result.
Very good.
Yeah. And again, just to register, I will recommend that you visit our website. If you need to find more information about our services, it is listed there. Our website is www.bgscareerventures.com. And just find the phone numbers. We have different phone numbers listed over there. Just give us a call and yeah.
Yes. Can you give us a little bit way you work, how you help people to find the job if somebody is unemployed?
So when you are in our program, a team of our career consultant provide coaching one-to-one
Okay.
or in a group sessions. We provide coaching on career planning, resume preparation, because there are some of the clients who are actually very well qualified, but they just don't know how to write the right
Yes.
resume
Yes.
or how to do interview preparations.
Yeah.
So those kind of things, career consultant provides support in. And we also provide lots of tools and resources just to prepare them for the job market or to do
I
a job
see.
search.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And our company is also partner with business communities. So because of our strong connections with our business communities, we are able to do some direct job placements as well.
Very good.
So that's why it is good to know about the services available in the community.
Very good.
Yeah.
You know, sometime we heard here, you know, like there are lots of jobs are available in Alberta, but still there are some people who can't find the job. Why these things are not matching up? What is the reason behind it?
Well, this is true. We regularly hear frustrations from
Yes.
the employer about not being able to fill all the positions out there, especially in the last 19 months have blurred the lines of traditional job seeking,
Yes.
right? So we now see the majority of job seekers needing to leverage their transferable skills in order to re-enter in the labor market. And many have not even had an interview or written resumes from so many years because they have
Yes.
been working in the same company or same positions for many years, right? So it is important for them to know and understand the labor market information and the situations right there, and just to understand how to apply to their job search,
Yes.
something they haven't had to do before. So these are some of the few challenges actually that we are able to support job seekers in. However, it's also about building optimism and hope for our job seekers. And we are here to listen to them and support them and to take any necessary steps they have to take successfully move forward in their career.
Very good. So you have mentioned that the job search had changed. Can you give us some insight on to our listeners? What seems to be changed there and how you can help there, how you can fill that gap?
So job search definitely have changed, especially after COVID,
Okay.
because world have went online, right?
Yes.
If somebody is like, for example, mature worker who've been working in same position for many years, and they might be not so comfortable in use of a technology, right? So it is very important for them to know how to use the technology, because we have been noticed that employers are actually asking for lots of electronic and automated version of a resumes
Yes.
or an interview, right? You might have noticed that employer are just planning to have a virtual interviews,
Yes.
and they're using like a different kind of softwares like a Zoom
Yeah.
or WebEx or many other softwares are there, right?
Yes.
And some people might even not be aware of those things.
Yes.
So that's very important, and those are the things is changed. Even like online job fairs. Now all the job fairs are online, or any events related to job fairs, they're online.
Online, yes.
So that is actually changed, and we do provide a lot of coaching on that how to utilize the technology and how to actually, get success over the virtual interviews.
Definitely. That's a huge change in the market, yes.
Yeah. So it's very important to know like what you need to do and what you don't need to do when
That's
you are
right.
in a virtual interview. So we provide coachings on that as well.
Yeah, yes. What advice would you give out to all the job seekers at this time?
So, my advice would be being fully vaccinated is something very important, and that is what employers are looking for nowadays.
Yes.
So, be consider being vaccinated, because that will definitely help you to, find a job out there, as well as being flexible and resilient in
Yes.
all of the uncertainty and change out there. So, be prepared for any task is given at your work, because what we have been noticed now is that employer are basically asking somebody who can do more than one job at the company,
Yes.
right? So be prepared to actually take on those few
Yes,
jobs and
yes.
like be multitasking. All those things will definitely help you to be at the job or to find a job out there. And most importantly is great time to get noticed by the employers, right?
Yes.
When you accept a job offer at this time of the year and take initiative to step up when others may not,
Definitely.
it puts you in the perfect position in front of the employer for any promotion or any career investment.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Do you see with your experience with the inflation? Is there any like change in the pay scales these days, or we still have the same old pay scale in the workforce?
Well, definitely we have changed. We have noticed the huge change.
Okay.
Is the pay scale is going like a little bit down than before what we used to earn actually
Yes.
before COVID.
Yes.
Right. So it is important to bring those consideration in your mind that you might have to do a little compromise over there
Yes.
on the pay scale in order to just step into the job market.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell us how BGS can help an employer, like how you can help, like myself here. I'm struggling to find a good sales team for the last many months. And not many resumes are coming through our doors. So how you can help us?
So we offer support to employers in a number of ways, actually.
Okay.
We provide them the pre-screened candidates
Okay.
because all of our candidates are pre-screened, and we can provide exposure course training if it's needed to do that job.
Okay.
We actually organize employer events. So that means that we actually invite employers to participate in job fairs with BGS, and it gives them opportunity for their hiring needs. So they can
Yes.
come to our site or virtually, and they can actually present about the company. And if you have any possible opportunities, we can definitely arrange those things for you. So definitely we help employers that way. And we really actually value the expertise of employer, what they bring on
Yes.
table for our
Yes.
clients.
Definitely.
So when employer comes to our site, they actually let our clients know that what are the requirements, what kind of resume they are looking for
Yes.
to hire, or or provide some interview tips.
Yes.
So we really value those expertise of our employer.
Very good.
So we invite you to, if you would like to be a guest speaker at BGS,
Yes.
we definitely help you to set those kind of events.
Mm-hmm.
And we also post job postings on behalf of employers on our social media. And again, like all these services are at no cost because, as I mentioned, that this is a government-funded program.
So even employer, there is no cost involved?
No, not even for employers.
Okay.
So we
That's-
don't
that's a-
charge.
that's a
yeah.
good news. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the good news, and that's why I
Yeah.
just wanted to be here today.
Yes, yes. So job seekers or employers who are looking for some good employees or good help, so you can step in and bridge that gap. Basically, that's what you're doing.
Definitely, yes. Yeah, we definitely bridge the gap between clients and employers. And
Very good.
Yeah.
So how one can register with you, employee or employer? How they can register with you?
So all you have to do is just visit our website,
Okay.
which is www.bgscareerventures.com. Just go to our website and give us a call.
Okay.
There are maybe, because we have 3 floors in downtown, so we have a different phone numbers.
Okay.
So just pick any number and give us a call, and you will get more information
Very good.
about that. Yeah.
So you have your good database of resumes with you at this time. If some employer reach out to you for help.
Yes, definitely. We do have a good database of candidates because, as I said, like we work with a different kind of age groups.
Yes.
We work with all kind of professionals out there
Okay.
in the industry. So people, those who have actually been working from 20 years and got laid off or something due to COVID or any
Yes.
other reasons.
Yes.
So we have those kind of candidates as well, those who have like those expertise. We do have candidates, those who are just like starting or like a junior level
Yes.
people. So definitely we do have a huge...
One thing I would like to clear here, you mentioned if you're a citizen or PR or you have a valid work visa or you're on refugee status. How about students? They are allowed to work part-time and in between they're allowed to work full-time. can they get help through your office?
So as I mentioned to you, we do have a program called Youth Co.
Okay.
And we do have a fantastic career consultant for that program.
Okay.
She runs that program.
Okay.
And if you need more information about Youth Co, so we do have that program, but there are
Okay.
some criteria to be eligible for that programming.
Definitely.
So my suggestion is that give us a call.
Yes.
And you will be able to speak to her, and she will provide all the insight of the Youth Co programming.
Yes.
So yeah.
ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ BGS ਸੰਸਥਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੌਬ ਲੱਭਣ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਰੈਜ਼ੂਮੇ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਪਗ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਰਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਓ 20-25 ਸਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੇ ਆਫ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ EI ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਰੀਟ੍ਰੇਨ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜੋ ਅਪਗ੍ਰੇਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੌਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਜੌਬ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਯੂਥ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹੈਲਪ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਹੈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਨਵਾਂ ਆਇਆ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਐਲੀਜੀਬਲ ਹੈ ਫੁੱਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਰਕ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਆਫ ਕਾਸਟ ਕੋਈ ਮਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਪੈਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਇਹ ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਸੰਪਰਕ 'ਚ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗ੍ਰਾਂਟਸ ਔਰ ਵਟ ਐਵਰ ਮੀਨ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ ਉਹਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਉਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫੰਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਇੰਡੀਵਿਜੂਅਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਨਾ ਅੰਪਲਾਇਰ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਜੌਬ ਸੀਕਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਦਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਸੋ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਹੈਲਪ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਔਰ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਰੈਜ਼ੂਮੇ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੀ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਤੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀਪੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ ਔਰ ਈਵਨ ਅੰਪਲਾਇਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਾਣਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟਸ ਕਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੋਰ ਸੂਟੇਬਲ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਭੇਜਣਗੇ ਜੀ ਇਟਸ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਇਹਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਐਡਵਾਂਟੇਜ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਸਾਰੇ ਟਰੱਕ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਟਰੱਕ ਕੰਪਨੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰਕਰਸ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਪਲੇਸ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਗੋ ਟੂ BGS ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਹੈ www.bgs.ca or com
bgscareerventures.com
okay bgscareerventure.com ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ 7804256655 ਇਹ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਰੇਡੀਓ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੰਬਰ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਾਸ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੰਬਰ ਜਾਂ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਦੇ ਸਕਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ ਐਲਸ ਯੂ ਵੁੱਡ ਲਾਈਕ ਟੂ ਐਡ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਐਂਡ
No, I would just say thank you again because providing opportunities to spread this word in the communities because
Definitely.
it is very important to know, especially when you're coming as an immigrant to this country.
Yes.
It's important to know that these are the services available and then we can take the benefit of it.
And one last question just came through my mind. Services are provided in English only or there is help available in any other languages?
So as I said, the mandate of the services are in English.
English, okay.
So that's
Sure.
why it is important.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming and thank you for your time.
Thank you.